Since you already know about Pixelify pricing, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on it.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And it's through their affiliate program. You see, I clicked on the affiliate program, it shows me this link, and what it says is I earn 30% of the payments that my referrals pay. Now, I actually am able to give those discounts back to the people who signed up through my link. So I created a discount code. If you end up deciding to buy this, you don't have to buy this. You can go directly through this. You don't have to use my affiliate link. But if you do, what's going to happen if you enter this code, students, at checkout, you're going to get a 20% discount. That's off my 30%. So it's essentially, I'll only get 10%, you'll get a 20% discount. And that's what I'll do for you is through my affiliate program. If you want to use it, you don't have to. You can use this directly. You don't have to use any affiliate program. But if you want to, you can use my referral and basically just enter the code students at checkout, and it will be applied to your price. So whatever you pay, 20% off. And then you can use this at a discount.